Everyone, in this class we are going to learn how we can get the neighbor information. If you see, this is the CLI of the switch. Okay, this is which switch 0. Okay, so what I will do here, I will write here show CDP neighbor and I will press enter. If you see, when I write show CDP neighbor and the enter, it is showing me I have two switches. It is connected to local interface fast Ethernet 0/1, fast Ethernet 0/2, and this is a hold on time, and the capability of the switch, whatever the capability of the device is switch, and what is the platform, we have the 2960 and the port ID is fast Ethernet 0/1, 0/2. So this way we can check. I am checking in the switch 0, so switch 0 is connected to two switch. That's why we are getting this two neighbor detail. So how we can get the neighbor detail? By writing show CDP neighbor, Cisco Discovery Protocol, that is a CDP. Okay, CDP we use to check the neighbor information. If you want to write, you can write show CDP question mark, so you can check. You can write entry to get the information, you can write the interface to get the interface information, and you can write the show CDP neighbor to get the neighbor information. So if I write here whatever the interface information, all interface information is available here. And if you want to check the other option, that is show CDP, I will press question mark entry. So if I want to check the entry, I can check that entry also. Okay, let me write show CDP entry and press question mark. So we can write the star to get that entry. So I will write star and press enter. So here you will get more information about your neighbor. So what I done here, I wrote here show CDP entry and star. So here it is giving the device name, that is device ID is this one, and this is the IP address of your neighbor, and this is a what we can say model of the neighbor, all information, hold on time, which software is running, all information you will get. The duplex is full and the capability. And if you see, this is another device, you have two devices. So here is 192.168.1.2, here is 1.3. So there is two devices, we have the two IP. So this way we can get more information in the CDP. Cisco Discovery Protocol is used to get the neighbor information. Okay.